I can't wait to show you this insanely delicious dessert recipe. All right, folks, today we're diving into a chocolate caramel brownie pudding with hot fudge sauce that's gonna blow your mind. So let's get into it and create some serious dessert magic. Let's start with our star player, the chocolate caramel brownie pudding. You'll need 1 cup unsalted butter, 2 cups sugar, 4 eggs, 1 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup caramel sauce, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt the butter, mix in the sugar, then whisk in those eggs one by one. Now for the dry stuff. Sift in the cocoa, flour, and salt. Fold it all together until you've got this thick, glossy batter. Pour it into a greased 9x13-inch dish. Here's where the magic happens. Drizzle that caramel sauce all over and swirl it around. Pop it in the oven for about 60 minutes. You want the edges set, but the center still a little jiggly. Trust me, that's where all the gooey goodness comes from. While that's baking, let's whip up the hot fudge sauce. You'll need 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup corn syrup, 1/3 cup dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 6 ounces dark chocolate, and a tablespoon of butter. In a saucepan, whisk together everything except the chocolate and butter. Bring it to a simmer over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Then, remove from heat and stir in the chocolate and butter until it's all melted and smooth. Let it cool for about 30 minutes before serving. It'll thicken up nicely. And there you have it, folks. A chocolate caramel brownie pudding that's crispy on top, gooey in the middle, with swirls of caramel throughout, all topped with a rich, velvety hot fudge sauce. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you've got yourself a dessert that'll make you the hero of any dinner party. Until next time, keep it sweet and keep cooking.